Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove red underline while typing on Android, commonly used by spell check. First, start by opening the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on System and go to Languages and Input, and then go to On-Screen Keyboard. Then select your current keyboard, most likely Gboard. Inside the keyboard settings, tap on Text Correction. Scroll down and turn off Spell Check. This will remove the red or blue underline that appears as you type. If you also want to disable grammar or word suggestions, toggle off Show Suggestion Strip or other predictive options in the same menu. Now open any app with a text field like Notes or WhatsApp and start typing. You will see the underline is gone. And that's how you remove the underline while typing on Android. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.